Hello, A-Car here. I'm doing a plant update video. This is my fig tree. I just did a plant update video on the plants in the backyard. If you didn't see that, go ahead and check it out. I didn't post it yet since I recorded this, but I'm going to post them at the same time. So please check that one out as well. And if you notice here, I can't really see well because of the sun. So I hope you're getting a good view. But if you can see here, it does appear that a fig is starting to develop. So I hope I'll get to eat that before winter. My azalea bush never really came back. It did produce one stick with leaves, but you know, it's kind of late in the season, so I don't think I'm getting anything out of that. If I do, I'll be happy. If not, then there's always next year. Here's my corn, and it's starting to send out its male flower buds. So soon I'll be getting corn. This one has not produced yet. The third one that was here, I cut it down so that these two have more room. Over here is my eggplant growing wild. It has a flower that has developed over here. I'm going to hand pollinate that later on today. And I have an eggplant over here. And yeah, I have a few other flower buds that haven't opened up yet. But when those do, I'll show them to you as well. I got some new corn plants because the big one that was over here in this area had a little bit of an accident during yard work, and it, you know, got broken in half. Can't do anything about it. I just, you know, dispersed it around here and let it decompose and become like a fertilizer for the other plants. And over here are my new corns, my replacement corns. I got them today. I just planted them up today. This one's not doing too well, but oh well, I'm not concerned. I have plenty others, so I planted them in twos. Here's my raspberry bush. Not going to produce anything else this year. So here, my watermelon plant, the vines are growing like crazy, and also they've begun their male flower run, which is good for me because soon that means they'll start their female flower run. I'll get to pollinate them, and I'll get some nice watermelons. Here are my tomatoes back here. I don't know what type they are, but they haven't produced anything yet. I hope they will soon. I have to start maneuvering over here now with all these plants getting crowded like a rainforest. There's a strawberry plant growing like crazy. A carrot plant. Pineapple. And over here, my blue potato. I noticed it wilting today, so I gave it some water. As you can tell by the wet ground, it's not too wet now, but hopefully it'll come back. If it does die, then I'll just dig it up and everything else and see if I get any potatoes. I have these tomato plants. They're not growing really at all this season, and I only got one tomato from it, so oh well. I'm happy with that. I have other tomato plants that are producing more, so they make up for this one's lack. I have this tomato plant here. I have those strawberries there. There's strawberries there that are producing a strawberry, and actually a few strawberries. Here's another tomato plant here that is growing well and is producing some fruit. I don't know if you guys can see, but I hope you guys are getting a good angle here. I have my cherry tomatoes that are doing fantastic, producing a lot of cherries, or cherry tomatoes rather. So yeah, these are all doing good. I'm excited to eat them. I'll show you my other plum tomato. Time to see the plums. You can see the camera a little bit better here because of the shade. So hopefully I could give you a little bit of a better view. But here are my plum tomatoes. These are doing good. It's producing flowers and flower buds and things like that all over the place. There's over 60 flower buds in total. I hope I get 60 fruit. I do use hand pollination, so I should get a good bunch. I know I have quite a big bunch right here that's developing. I have a bunch here, I have a bunch here, I have a bunch here, and I have a bunch starting right here. I have this here. I just removed these dead flowers, and I check to see if there's anything inside that could develop. If there is, I leave it. If not, then I could just cut it off. So yeah, I have this one. See, here's another bunch here, another bunch of flowers here. There's another bunch of flowers starting to form right here. There's more there. There's more there, there. In between here. So really all over the place. So I'm excited to get these tomatoes and to eat them. And to enjoy them thoroughly. What is this here? Is that a cicada? Oh, it's just the shell of a cicada. Alright. Never mind. Thought I saw a cicada. Turned out it was just the shell. Alright, so there's that. I'm going to look for that cicada. See if I can find it, because that wasn't there yesterday, so it's still fresh. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like this video.